Hello folks, Gary JSF and welcome to another video. This is just to show a few little bits and pieces of filming a motorcycle. This one here is just the audio didn't get recorded in this. I must not have enabled a microphone at this stage, but this is just having the spotlight on me and taking in the motorbike as well. But sit back and enjoy, and I'll show you a few bits and pieces. The audio's not great on it, but we'll take it from there. So now we're doing the droning, and we're going up to 10 metres, so it's just making its way back there. I'm sitting on the car park beside the graveyard, so that should go up there and come straight. That's it on its way back. So that's the bike and me standing in the middle of the car park. So that's it, on its round a 4-metre circle just around me and the bike, and that's doing its thing there. So nothing to catch the little drone, so on its way back round. And they're headed to the rocket, and there it goes. So we're going up to 4 metres, so just looking down at me and the bike. Right, that's us in a follow, so well, hopefully it'll follow me and the bike. So that should be the little flip following me up and down the car park here, and it's just looking. It's up to about 15 miles per hour. Can't see it now. So and it's still there. Right, that's us on the spotlight, so the drone should stay there, and then I can ride past it, so let's see how that goes. Pick me up again, here it goes. Has it fallen? It is falling. What a toy, huh? What a toy indeed. Right, that's us on the droney again. Going up to 10 metres. That should be us. And that's us on the way back again. Metre this time. That's a rocket going for 10 metres. So away it goes, and it has rotation this time. And that's looking good. And here it comes back down again. Okay, that was a little flip following the motorbike. I did try direction track, but it was pretty much useless. It always ended up following you. But all the other modes were very good, and certainly I'm going to include some of that footage in a new title sequence I'm going to do. But well impressed. I'm having great fun with the Neo and the Flip. The Flip certainly is the better video quality, but the Neo's just great fun. It's just a great wee toy. I don't have a controller from it, but I can reprogram the controller from the Flip. The DJI RC M3 can be reprogrammed to go with the Neo, and then I have a controller to fly it, and it's just an amazing little bit of kit for £169. I'm so amazed by it. But that's us. Thanks for watching this one. If you have any suggestions or comments, hit them up down below in the comments. And if you like the video, please hit a like. It always helps the channel, and I'm always appreciative of it. If you really like this, hit a subscribe, and maybe even consider hitting the bell notification so that you'll be notified when videos are next updated. But for now, thanks for watching this one, and this is Gary GSF signing off. Bye for now.